All right, when it comes to building your clay, there's some basics, and we're going to take you back to your elementary school days. Remember these. Remember these in first grade, you made like a little pinch pot. Probably in second or third grade, you did coils that you added to the pinch pot. And then you smoothed them out and you made some kind of pottery. You can also build with slabs, is another way to build. So there's kind of three basic ways to build. There's slab, coil, and pinch pot. If you're going to make a pinch pot, first you got to start off with a ball of clay. So it needs to be fairly soft, and it doesn't have to be perfectly round, but try to get it fairly round. Okay? When you go to make a pinch pot, you're going to shove your thumb inside, but not all the way through the bottom. Okay? And then when you go to pinch, you're not curving your fingers, you're going to do flat. For some reason I do this better left-handed. So you're going to pinch and turn the clay, and you're going to feel the sides as you're going. If it's thinner, you're not going to press as hard. If it's thicker, you're going to press more. And it should start to open up the inside. Now you want to keep this top edge fairly fat on here. And if you find that it starts to get a little thin, you can turn it over and pound it a little bit. But it should start to open up, and this is your basic pinch pot. Now you can do things like you can put two pinch pots together and slip and score them and make a sphere. You can cut pinch pots in half to make half cups to put against a slab. You can do all sorts of stuff with a pinch pot, just a basic shape. Okay? All right, and then taking you back to about second or third grade, you did coils. So when you do a coil, again, the clay has to be fairly soft. It can't be super hard. So I'm trying to start with, I'm making a basic coil shape to start with. And then when you go to roll, you're going to use the palm of your hand, not your fingers. So try to use the palm of your hand, not your fingers. Your fingers tend to make it too thin or make it break. So try to just use your palm of your hand. And if you find that as you're going along, like this side's got this edge on it, put it up on edge, lightly karate chop it. And you want a nice fat coil. You want something that's going to be pretty thick. If you have little skinny pencil coils, they tend to break a lot faster, and also it goes a lot slower. So I've made a coil here, then I would have to go and slip and score the ends together. Okay? So the nice thing about coils is that you can control the in and out of a vessel. So this one, there's a pinch pot and there's coils, and I put them on bigger and then got smaller here. So if you've got a pinch pot here, and if I want to make the thing get smaller, I would put pinch pot or coils on here that get progressively smaller. If I wanted to get bigger, I would have one that's almost falling off the outside edge. If I want to get it really small, I go this route. So you can control the in and out with the pinch pot.